A lot. That stock's been acting horrible.
All right, let's go do some quick ways to make some cash today. Let's hit on Amazon. Finally broke through the 50-day after bouncing off for support. What do you do?
Well, Friday, a lot of the traders were trying to get short. They were trying to short that 190.50, 191. It finally broke later in the day. If you have that short and you have some short, keep it. I think 183 to 185 will be a spot to maybe look for a long.
And Amazon?
Yes, and Amazon.
Same thing?
Oh, I thought that's what we were just talking about, Amazon.
Oh, I was talking about, oh, sorry, Netflix.
Oh, it's
I
okay.
apologize, Netflix.
So I'll just show you real quickly on the chart. Remember this ascending channel? Broke to the downside. That was your stop. This was the area to get short as it broke a key support. Now I think this 182, 183 will be an area to perhaps buy.
All right, let's go to Apple, though, real quick, because we have a catalyst coming today. Steve Jobs going to deliver an opening keynote address at the Worldwide Developers Conference in San Francisco. We're also going to hear more on the iCloud. So is a catalyst coming? How are you going to trade it today?
I'm going to watch it. It's up about 50, 60 cents right now. Sometimes they try and sell events in anything. You know, buy the rumor, sell the news type of thing.
For Apple, yeah.
And for Apple, if they can't sell it down, it's been showing some relative strength lately. Okay, it's holding higher while the market's been going lower. So Apple is one of my chosen ones. I do think it breaks that macro downtrend at some point, but it's going to need a better market right now. Short term, 339 to 341 if you want to be long. That's the area to be long again, but if it fills that gap, it might come under some pressure once this event is done. And
gold climbing slightly higher today. What's interesting that I've noticed about gold in the last week or so is that it's literally inching towards that record close of 1557. What are you doing here?
I'm flat gold, but gold, like you said, is holding better than silver. It's holding higher. People must be really fearful about currencies. I think if you're in long gold for the long term, stay with it. If you're looking for a cash flow trade, I don't think it's that compelling right here.
And silver seeing a minor reversal today. Do you think this is a trend break, or are you still going to stay away from this?
Well, silver, we had that trade in the SLVs from 35 to about 37. It pulled in and held 35 again. I want to show you silver. You know, if you're trading silver, here's your new line to hold it against. It held the moving average. It held 35. Remember when we played this lower range here? Got a nice trade. Met resistance, and now it has a new range here. It's opening up a little bit. See if it can hold here a little bit, and then we'll see which way it breaks. You know, probably won't be though today.
All right, and then wrapping it up here, let's just talk about our general take on the markets right now, because in doing my work over the weekend, what I found was really interesting is that compared to last year when we ended QE1, it's really not that bad. I mean, the S&P is up over 20% from that date. Yeah, sure, the EU still has issues there, but unemployment is better. Yeah, it's lousy, but it's better than it was when we were losing jobs a year ago. So like I said earlier, it seems like we're just looking at an excuse to sell every day. Would you agree with that?
I wouldn't say it's an excuse to sell. It's just negative and negative headlines. We just keep getting these headlines, and the more headlines we get, the harder it is to make excuses for it. Last week we talked about how reality or denial was meeting reality, and it's only so much the market can absorb. And I do think, though, this is a soft patch. I don't think it's going to turn into
a huge reversal
like a 2007 type of environment where we get crushed, but you never know. That's why when you're in a market correction, stay light, stay in cash. When we see a new uptrend get put in place, we'll show you that pattern when it does. That's when we'll get back involved, and that's when we'll take a look at the leaders. But for right now, it's more defense than offense.
All right. Hopefully one day we'll bring you some offense, too. All right. Happy trading this Monday, everybody. That's it for us for today. I'm Alex Steele for The Street.
And I'm Scott Redler from T3. Make sure to follow us on the virtual trade floor and in the chat. And also, if you're in town on next Thursday, we're hosting an event at the New York Stock Exchange. You can come down. We have a mock trading event. You get to meet some pros. We have a cocktail hour. Go to t3live.com or email Mickey at T3 Trading. I'll give you all the info on it, and hopefully we'll be able to meet you live and see you there. Have a great day.